Yeah, I'm in Fort Huron, so we go to there quite
I don't live 40 miles.
Well,
a bit. Yeah.
I'm gonna stay in the steak. I'm gonna stay in the steak.
You used to come by my house.
I'm fine. I'm gonna stay here.
In Flushing, you're on Easter. You used to drive by my
Yep.
house, and my ex-wife
Is it going west?
started watching this little boy.
I got it.
I used to ride him on my four-wheelers. Time he was
2 engines.
And one day, well, I think he was like 3, and I was like, we went up and watched the train.
Cool.
And he stopped on the tracks. So we went back down the other side. We went back down a mile of the road, rode on the road, went down, went back to the spot where we saw the train. So I gets out, stops.
There's.
He had his four-wheeler, get in the car. He goes, I know you guys come up here every day and watch this. Walking the track, it's a fast track. I was like, okay, so we can find out. Get skating up, lay back down the track, they let down the track.
Right.
And now they go back up, which was like 2 miles.
Yeah.
And then
We did that.
he had a video camera. He had his phone. I didn't have my phone. But they had a camera.
Oh, it's hot.
And it's like 2 weeks later.
Here.
Today I'm coming by and
Better.
I see CD. So his Kane's mom and dad and my son kids. And then when I got the CD and showed them all those, like, oh, wow.
In the morning.
He got to do that with.
My
that's
my
why I
uncle.
sit back there
Yeah.
at that area because literally you got
My great uncle used to drive a train out of the
because you got basically what it's doing is it's doing this. They're going this way, this is going that way.
Right.
And that's why I stay back there because this is not back there.
That's why he goes to the other spot. But we're here to charge batteries at the moment, so
Still.
I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got
Big train. Big train.
My sister-in-law friend was engineer comes down there one night. So we got onto the Norfolk Southern train and we went into the marathon plant, jumped around cars around. When we came out, he let him and his cousin drive it back and forth. One straight across.
Do you remember when you guys did that?
He took pretty out, go over it. We had 2 cars, and then you hit the horn, and then he'd stop, back up over it, the gate would go up.
Yeah, there's been long, about between 5 and 7:30. There's been a train going east, going before you're
Pretty long. Long.
Yeah.
That train is all the guys that hang out
I believe it. Down before you're at, I come into that yard out of Canada, too long to block all our windows. We're not sure.
Yeah, that was Saturday.
I was gonna say, we just missed that.
Yep, I was supposed to go to that.
I heard there's gonna be auto acts with it.
Mom had to work, and I was like, you know what? Ruin my year. I literally wanted to go because I wanted to see if it had any static. Like, actual.
Big westbound.
If it
Yeah.
did, I literally freak out. Literally, like, what? Oh, I'm just saying, like, I love it. That was the only reason why I say that.
I don't want it.
Literally pick SSMs all the time. That's another reason. That is another reason why I got this. Because I can go from here and I don't worry about being close. I got this, and I can go back there. But I gotta go.
We were down here last year. We come once, twice a year. But we always do the same thing. You're like right there.
Holy crap, how big.
Realistically, the angle, I didn't know, but you don't have a bad view right up there of that train.
No, you don't have that view at all.
What?
Might
I
be a
said,
GPU on it.
I mean, with a little zoom, you don't have that bad of a view of the train right here, even.
No, but you don't get the real experience of being that close, though.
Right.
I know.
Which
It
is
might be a DPU.
The worst.
I didn't see if it had 1 or 2 engines up front.
2.
Two older ES44s.
Long. Holy cow.
It is.
Big one.
He goes over by the,
Long.
yeah. He goes over by the rail and you're
Not
close.
short, isn't it?
Oh yeah. I mean, you still almost need like a, you know, a mini bike or something. Like one
surprised.
into the other.
I'm surprised.
That's train 17.
I'm surprised because I didn't see it when we were at the other crossing. I didn't see a light way down there.
Yeah. Hey, look.
What?
Caboose is open.
DPU?
Yeah, she opened it.
Oh.
She was fixing that. No, she was fixing
Pulls it off?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
what is it, flooding everywhere?